Please start, sir.
Just a second, ma'am. Good morning, all of you. My name is Imran Nerlikar from Shastri Nagar MPS School. Madam, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible. Continue.
Okay. My name is Imran Nerlikar from Shastri Nagar Secondary MPS School. I welcome all of you for this state level lecture, and today we are going to deal with one more topic from grammar in this today's lecture. First of all, I would like to tell you about parts of speech which we have studied, because so many students, they study parts of speech but they don't know where to use them. Use them. For example, we have studied verbs, but some students, they don't know the use of verbs. Verbs are used in tenses. If you will understand verbs, only then you can answer tenses. You can use tenses properly. In the same way, all these parts of noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection, use of all these parts of speech, it is used somewhere in grammar. It is basics. Do you know the use of adjective? Because adjective is also very important parts of speech in grammar. You have studied adjective, but the use of adjective, some students, they may don't know where it is used. Adjective, it is used in degrees, and today we are going to study degrees. Degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. Today's topic is degrees of comparison. So, I hope you will listen this carefully. We will try to understand this carefully, because in exam, you all know that continuously questions are so sorry for the interruption. There was some technical problem. So, degree, it is asked in exam continuously. There are questions on change the degree. First of all, as I have told you, we will start from adjective. What is adjective? Adjective, it is a word which gives us more information about noun or pronoun. I repeat, adjective is a word which gives us more information about noun or pronoun. For example, see, Suman is a good girl. This is noun, proper noun. Girl is common noun. Is helping verb. A article. This is adjective. Good is adjective. Now, how is Suman? Good. Suman is a good girl. This word good gives more information about noun to us. Suman is a good girl. Suman is a good girl. So this is adjective. How is Suman? Suman is a good girl. Good is adjective in this sentence. So first of all, you should understand adjectives. You should find out which is adjective in the sentence, and only then you can study degree or solve the sentences on degrees. Because if you will find out adjective, only then you can change the degrees. Okay, I'll come step by step. So Suman is a good girl. Himalaya is the tallest mountain. Himalaya is the tallest mountain. If you see this sentence, Himalaya is the tallest mountain. In this sentence, Himalaya, it is noun. Tallest. Tall is adjective. Tall is adjective in this sentence. Tall is adjective in the sentence. So first of all, you should find out adjective. Which is adjective? This word tall gives us more information about noun. How is Himalaya? It is the tallest mountain. It is the tallest mountain. It gives us more information about noun. So adjective is a word which gives us more information about noun. He is an intelligent boy. He is an intelligent boy. Okay, we'll take name. For example, Suresh is an intelligent boy. How is Suresh? How is Suresh? He is an intelligent boy. Intelligent, the word intelligent, it gives us more information about Suresh. How is Suresh? Understood? So this intelligent, it is adjective. Okay. For example, King Amrit is a kind person. King Amrit is a kind person. Now this word kind, it tells us how King Amrit is. How King Amrit is. It tells us about King Amrit. With the word kind, it tells us more information about King Amrit. So King Amrit, it is adjective. So adjective is a word which gives us more information about noun, about any person or thing. Okay. So if you have understood adjective, then we'll come to degrees. Okay. Now, in degrees, no, in our day-to-day life, forget about degrees. In our day-to-day life, daily we do comparison. We compare things, we compare people also. For example, this man is not good. This girl, she is very good. Okay. This girl, she is more better than that girl. For example, this pen is better than that pen. Okay. Or this watch, it is the best watch. Okay. Like this. Or we say this car is better than that other car. Or we say this is the best bike. We say. Or we say this cycle is very good. So in these sentences, we have done comparison. This car is better than that car. Means we are comparing here. This is the best bike. Means we are comparing here. With other bikes, this bike we are comparing. Okay. Pen. When we say this is the best pen, means we are comparing this pen with other pen. This is the best watch. Means we are comparing watch with other watch. So in our daily day-to-day life, this girl is very nice. Means what? We are comparing that girl with other girls. How is that girl? This boy is very bad. Means we are comparing this boy with other boys. So daily we are comparing things, people, etc., etc. So many things we compare in our day-to-day life. But we don't know we are using degrees here. It is very simple. It is very easy to understand. Okay. Now, when you compare things or people, you are using degrees. Degrees of comparison. Degrees are used for comparison only. When you want to compare something, you have to use degrees. The use of degree is that only, to compare things. That's why you should study degrees, not only for exam, in our spoken English also, in our daily life also. We are comparing things and we have to compare. We have to compare. Understood? It is a need. That's why we compare so many things. Compare people, things, etc. etc. That's why we should study degrees properly. Okay? Degrees of comparison. And when we are comparing things, there are three levels of comparison. There are three levels of comparison. For example, suppose there are three boys in class. Ramesh. First one is Ramesh. Height of Ramesh is 5 feet. Height of Ramesh is 5 feet. So we'll say the sentence Ramesh is 5 feet tall. Ramesh is 5 feet tall. This is this level, first level. This first level, it is called as positive. Second boy, 5.5 feet. Suresh. Ramesh, Suresh. His height is 5.5 feet. So here, first stage, Ramesh is 5 feet. Suresh is 5.5 feet. So Suresh is taller than Ramesh. Suresh is taller than Ramesh. So this is second stage. This is comparative. This is comparative. And last, Jitesh. His height is 6 feet. More than 6 feet. So he is tallest boy in the class. Nobody is as tall as Jitesh. He is tallest boy. 6 feet his height is. So this level is called as superlative. This is the highest one. Nobody is more taller than Jitesh. Okay. So this first level, normal, it is called as positive. More than that, some more increase, it is called as comparative. And highest level, top, nothing can be best than that. It is called as superlative. So these are three levels of comparison. First level is positive, second level is comparative, third level is superlative. Three levels of comparison: positive, comparative, superlative. These are three degrees which are called as positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Very easy. Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Now don't misunderstand this positive between the positive sentence, negative sentence. It is actually affirmative. Positive means affirmative sentence, and negative means the sentence which has negative meaning. But here positive sentence means you are comparing things. Actually positive sentence, it is used only in degrees only. Positive, comparative, superlative. Three levels of comparison. I think you have understood this. This I have tried to explain you stages or degrees in very easy way. So first level is positive, second level is comparative, third level is superlative. These are three levels of comparison. Okay. Now we'll come to the structure. What is positive degree? How to use that? What is super comparative and superlative degree? How to use that? Okay. I hope you have understood. First, the basics. First of all, I told you should understand, you should know adjective. If you will understand adjective, only then you can find out the degree, because adjective is very important to comparison. Without adjective, you can't compare. In degrees of comparison, it depends on adjective only. Okay. For example, good, better, best. good, better, best. These are three forms of adjective. Good, better, best. See here, good, better, best. These are three forms of this adjective. First of all, you should know these forms of adjective. For comparison, positive, comparative, superlative. Only then you can compare. This is good. Good is positive form. Better, better than this. More good. More good means better. This is comparative. And best, nobody is like that. Highest level, it is superlative. It is superlative. So that's why you should know adjectives and forms of adjectives. Good, better, best. Tall, taller, tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Fast, faster, fastest. Fast, faster, fastest. Positive, comparative, superlative. Fast, faster, fastest. Now, see, bad, bad. This is positive degree, bad. He is bad, bad. What is comparative of bad? It is not badder. Huh? So you should know this. If you know this, just like verbs, verb V1, V2, V3. If you know this form, you can study tenses. You can solve tenses. Just like that, you should know these forms of adjectives. Bad. Bad. Comparative is worse. Comparative is worse. And superlative is worst. Superlative is worst. Bad. Worst thing. This is the worst thing which happened. Worst thing means more than bad. And worst thing. This was the worst thing which happened with me. Worst thing. This was the worst thing. Means it was the worst thing means nothing can happen bad than that. Nothing bad can happen than that. It was the worst thing like this. We use this, we say this, we listen this, but we don't know actually. Sometimes we misunderstand. So this is what grammar is. Understood? Bad, worst, worst. Degrees. Okay. This is the form of this adjective. Positive, comparative, superlative. See, beautiful. 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 It is not beautifuler or beauty. What is, see, beautiful, comparative. What will be the comparative of beautiful? It is more beautiful. More beautiful. She is beautiful girl. Now, she is more beautiful than her, we say. More beautiful. And superlative is most beautiful. Superlative is most beautiful. She is the most beautiful girl. Means nobody is beautiful than her. Like this. Third stage. So beautiful, it is positive. More beautiful, it is comparative. And most beautiful, it is superlative. Most beautiful. When see these forms, there are some adjectives with to whom we add more, most. So you should study these adjectives first. Forms of adjectives first. And then you can compare things and you can solve degrees easily. Understood all of you? So this is positive, first level. This is comparative, second level. This is superlative, third level. Now, if you will see this, if you will see these adjectives here, fast, faster, fastest, tall, taller, tallest, good, better, best. The important thing which you will see here is in positive degree, adjective, it is written as it is. adjective. It is written as it is. Here we have added er to the adjective. To the adjective. Faster, er to the adjective plus er. Taller, adjective plus er. Better, adjective plus er. More beautiful, er. Now in this comparative form we have added er to the adjective. Here it is same, fast, tall, good. Here if you see, we have added est to the adjective. Adjective plus est. Adjective plus est. Fast, faster, er. Fastest, est. So generally when you add est to the adjective, it becomes superlative form. It becomes superlative form. Fastest, tallest, best. Okay. So fast, faster, fastest. Adjective plus er, adjective plus est. So these are forms of degrees: positive, comparative, superlative. Positive, adjective plus er, comparative, adjective plus est, superlative. Now from these forms only the structures of degrees, they are formed. And what are these structures? See, all of you, listen. Structure of positive degree, it is as plus adjective plus as plus adjective plus as. It will come before and after the adjective, as. You have to compare things. That's why you have to use as before and after adjective. Second thing is comparative degree. Okay. Here the structure of comparative degree is adjective plus er plus than. You have to compare things. That's why you have to use than. And er is added to adjective, just like I have showed here. See here, fast, it is adjective. Faster, er is added to adjective. Er is added to adjective, just like that. Adjective plus er plus than. This is structure of comparative degree. Second level, positive, comparative. Third level, superlative degree. Now here, in this superlative degree, the structure is the, article the plus adjective plus est. Est is added to adjective and compulsory the is used before this degree. Before adjective plus est, compulsory you have to use the fastest, the tallest, the best, the most beautiful, like this. So in this superlative degree, structure is the plus adjective plus est. Est is added to adjective and before that the. It is very, very simple and easy to understand. Okay, adjective in positive degree as plus adjective plus as. In comparative degree, adjective plus er plus than. And in superlative degree, the plus adjective plus est. These are structures of degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. And if you will focus on these structures, then it will be very helpful for you, easy for you to transform the sentences also from positive to comparative, comparative to superlative, or superlative to positive, comparative, vice versa, etc. Now I will show you first of all the sentences of positive degree, comparative degree, and then superlative degree using these structures. How these are used in sentences, and then we'll see transformation step by step. See, for example, see. First of all, tall, for example, or fast. This car is not as fast as that car. For example, we'll see BMW is not as good as Mercedes. Mercedes, two cars we are comparing. BMW is not as good as Mercedes. Or we can say Bumrah is not as fast bowler as we can say Shami, any bowler. Just I am comparing. Okay, actually Bumrah is better. Okay, good bowler. I know that, but we'll take grammatical sentences. Okay, just for comparison. So we'll say this pen is not good as that pen. Okay, or this mobile will compare. We daily we are using mobile online things. Our online teaching it is going on in mobile only. In this pandemic, mobile is helping us more. So we'll compare mobiles. Okay, for example, Yamaha is not as good as Samsung. We'll compare here. So here to compare two things, we are using as adjective as. We are using positive degree. As adjective as. Okay. See. Ramesh is not as clever as Suresh. Now here we have compared two people, Ramesh and Suresh. Clever is adjective, as plus adjective plus as adjective as plus adjective as. So this structure, if you will see, easily you can understand that this sentence is written in positive degree. This is sentence of positive degree. As plus adjective as plus adjective plus as. See, Yamaha is not as good as Samsung. Here we have compared two mobile phones. Yamaha is not as good as Samsung. Here as plus adjective plus as. So from this you can understand that it is positive degree. Sentence is written in positive degree. I hope you have understood positive degree. Okay. Sentence is written in positive degree. And so how to find out? It is as plus adjective plus as. From this structure you have to find out. Okay. Now we'll come to comparative degree. Comparative degree. See. We'll see comparative degree. Samsung. Yamaha is not as good as Samsung. Means what? Samsung is better than Yamaha. Yamaha is not good as Samsung. Means Samsung is better than Yamaha. Ramesh is not as clever as Suresh. Means what? Suresh is more clever than Ramesh. Suresh is more clever than Suresh. Okay. So, see here. Samsung is better than MI. Samsung is better than MI. Samsung is better than MI. Better than. Adjective plus ER plus than. Than is used after adjective. Than is used after adjective. ER is added to adjective. ER is added to adjective. This is comparative degree. Adjective plus ER plus than. This is structure of comparative degree. Adjective plus ER plus than. Okay. Adjective plus ER plus than. See. Harish is taller than Suresh. Harish is taller than Suresh. You will see here, tall is adjective, er plus than. Tall adjective plus er plus than. Plus than. Easily you will understand that this is comparative degree. Er is added to adjective and then than. Adjective plus er plus than. How to find out which degree is given? When sentence is given to you in exam, first of all you should find out which degree is given in that, and after that you can transform the sentence. So if as plus adjective plus as is given, it is positive degree. Adjective plus er plus than is given, it is comparative degree. Okay. Now third is superlative degree. Third is superlative degree. See. Last, we'll see the superlative degree. How to find out superlative degree. Okay. Apple is the best mobile. Apple means what? iPhone, you know, iPhone. iPhone, you know all. iPhone is iPhone. It is the company of Apple only. Apple designs iPhones. Okay, iPhone is the best mobile. If you say iPhone is the best mobile, means what? Means other mobiles, Samsung, MI, and other mobiles like the Micromax, this, that, or what is it? So many mobile companies are there. So these mobiles are not as good as iPhone, or iPhone is better than all of them. Best mobile. iPhone is the best mobile. You can't compare other mobiles with iPhone. Nothing can be best than iPhone. So this is C. The plus adjective plus est. The plus adjective plus est. C. For example, Smith is the tallest boy in the class. Sumit is the tallest boy in the class. If you see here, the plus adjective plus est. The plus adjective plus est. Est is added to the adjective. Structure, if you see, superlative degree. Easily you can understand that these sentences are written in superlative degrees. Sumit is the tallest boy in the class. Means no other boys are not as tall as Sumit. Means Sumit is the tallest boy. Nobody is tall than Sumit. Understood? So from structure you will understand that this is superlative degree. The sentence which is given to you in exam, it is in superlative degree. The plus tall plus est, the plus adjective plus est. So I hope you have understood superlative degree. How to find out whether the sentence is written in which degree? Positive degree means what? Comparative degree means what? And superlative degree means what? In positive degree, structure is as plus adjective plus as. In comparative degree, adjective plus er plus than. And in superlative degree, the plus adjective plus est. These are structures of degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. And when you have to use these degrees in your sentences, you should use these structures. You should follow this structure to use them properly, grammatically in your daily usage. Understood? Now we'll see transformation. What are the rules? How to change the sentences from one degree to other degree. See all of you. I hope you have understood this much. Okay. First of all, we will see comparative to positive. Comparative to positive. First of all, comparative to positive. See, Ramesh is, same sentence you will see, taller than Suresh. Easy sentence, we'll see. Ramesh is taller than Suresh. Now here we have compared two people, two boys, Ramesh and Suresh. And who is taller? Ramesh is taller than Suresh. If you see the structure, adjective plus er plus than. It means it is in comparative degree. It is in comparative degree. Now you have to convert this sentence into positive degree. Now to convert this into positive degree, structure of positive degree is as plus adjective plus as plus adjective plus as. Now see, Ramesh is taller than Suresh means Suresh is not as tall as Ramesh. Suresh is not as tall as. Here we have completed the structure of positive degree. As plus adjective plus as tall as. Suresh is not as tall as Ramesh. Suresh is not as tall as Ramesh. Here we have converted the sentence from comparative degree to positive degree. Adjective plus er plus than, this is comparative degree and this is positive degree. As plus adjective plus as. It is very easy. Ramesh is taller than Suresh means Suresh is not as tall as Ramesh. Understood? Okay. Now second sentence. See. One more sentence we'll see. For example, we'll take two names of girls. Sita. Sita works harder than Geeta. Sita works harder than Geeta. Here you will see adjective plus er plus than. Adjective plus er plus than. It is comparative degree. Sita works harder than Geeta. We have to convert this in positive. Take this first. Okay. Geeta does not. You have to make it negative. Sita works harder means Geeta does not work. See, the use of do, does, did, you have to remember that again. Works. Yes, es is added to verb. Yes, es is added to verb, and that's why we have taken does to maintain the tense. Geeta does not work, and because I have used does before not, you have to take helping verb. For example, I am not going to school and I not going to school. I not going to school and I am not going to school. Which one is right? I am not going to school. I am not going to school means what? Before not, always you have to use helping verb. Any helping verb which is given in sentence, you have to use that, or you have to use do, does, did. Dummy operator you have to use. You can't write not as it is before without any helping verb. So Geeta not work. Wrong it is. Geeta does not work. Because it is work, we have taken does. And because we have taken does, we have written work. Geeta does not work. Geeta does not work as hard as Sita. Begin the sentence. Opposite. Geeta does not work as hard as Sita. Adjective as plus adjective plus as. Structure as plus adjective plus as. It is positive degree. See the structure as plus adjective plus as. So here we have used the structure and the meaning is same. Sita works harder than Geeta means Geeta does not work as hard as Sita. This is positive sentence. So comparative to positive we have converted. Okay. Now see, little bit faster we'll go. Okay. Now second sentence is superlative to comparative. superlative. First of all, comparative to positive, then superlative to comparative. Superlative to comparative. Okay. See, it is very easy. For example, iPhone. See, same example we'll take. iPhone is the best phone in all mobiles. iPhone is the best. Sorry, I have not written best. iPhone is the best phone in all mobiles. iPhone is the best phone. If you see here, the plus adjective plus est, it is superlative degree. The plus adjective plus est. Wait a minute, I'll write properly. iPhone is the best phone. The plus adjective plus est, it is superlative degree. Superlative degree. You have to convert this in comparative. Okay, means no other mobile phones are plural it is. That's why no other mobile phones are is amr, same tense is amr. No other mobile phones are comparative है ठीक ना हाँ. No other mobile phones are as good as or iPhone is better than sorry I was writing in positive degree. I'll write in comparative degree. iPhone is better than any other mobile phone. iPhone is better than any other mobile phone. Okay. So here if you see, structure is adjective plus er plus than. Adjective plus er plus than. Adjective plus er plus than. It is comparative degree. See the structure. iPhone is better than any other mobile. iPhone is the best. It is superlative degree. And same sentence we have written in comparative. iPhone is better than. Adjective plus er plus than. iPhone is better than any other mobile. It is comparative degree. Same sentence if you will convert in positive, superlative to positive, same sentence. No other phone is as good as, see, good, better, best. These are three stages of superlative degrees. Adjective, good, positive, comparative, better, and best is superlative. Better, best, better, superlative, comparative, and good will be adjective, positive. So no other, I'll write here. No other phone is as good as iPhone. No other mobile phone. No other mobile phone is as good as. Meaning is same. As good as. It is positive degree. As plus adjective plus as. As plus adjective plus as. So here we have seen this sentence superlative to positive. No other mobile phone is as good as iPhone. Same sentence. Good, better, best. If you see the plus adjective plus est, adjective plus er plus than, and as plus adjective plus as. It is positive degree. I hope you have understood this. Positive to comparative. So sorry, superlative to comparative, superlative to positive. Superlative to positive. Now there is one more thing. That is superlative to positive, superlative to comparative we have seen. And then see, suppose one more rule is there. In very short time I'll tell you that. Gita is one of the most intelligent intelligent girl in the class. Geeta is one of the most intelligent girl in the class. Now focus here. See, huh? When one of the is used in superlative degree, it is superlative degree, the plus adjective plus est. Huh? At that time, one of the is given. At that time, when you take comparative, superlative to comparative, positive. At that time, when you take comparative, at that time, no other. You should start with. You should start with no other. In comparative degree, no other girl in the class is, no other girl in the class is more intelligent than many other girls. No other. Geeta is more intelligent. Sorry. I am writing again in positive. In comparative, Geeta is more intelligent than many other girls in the class. Geeta is more intelligent than many other girls in class. The rule is when one of the is used in superlative degree, at that time you have to use many other instead of any other. Only simple change it is. In other sentences we use any other than any other than any other. But when one of the is used, at that time you have to use many other in comparative degree. And in positive degree, instead of no other, you should start with very few. Very few. Begin the sentence with very few. When one of the is used. Very few girls in the class. When positive, you have to take last one, you have to take first. Because very few girls in the class are as intelligent as, see the structure, as plus adjective plus as, positive degree, very few girls in the class are as intelligent as Geeta. This is positive degree. So when one of the is used, after that you have to take many other and begin the sentence with very few instead of no other. Always you begin the sentence in positive degree, you have to begin the sentence with no other. But here, when one of the is used, at that time you have to write very few, begin the sentence with very few. These are two changes which you should focus. Understood? One of the when superlative is given, many other and very few. I hope you have understood degrees today. These are some of the rules, and to transform the degrees from positive to comparative, comparative to superlative, superlative to comparative and positive. Okay. If you study examples, if you solve more and more examples, it will be very easy for you to study this and to solve this in exam. Okay. Just focus on the structure, positive, comparative and superlative, 3 stages, and it will be very easy for you to solve this example. Okay. I hope you have understood this. Okay. I'll wind up my lecture, today's lecture. Thank you all of you. If you have any doubt, if you have any problem, query, madam, give them 1 minute so that they can ask if they want to ask. Please, if somebody is raising hand, then they can ask if you have any doubt. Otherwise, we'll stop. Okay? Madam?
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Students, if you're having doubts, you can raise your hands. Otherwise, we'll end up the lecture.
I hope you have understood degrees today.
Achal, you're raising your hand. No, sir. No one is raising their hand. We'll wind up here. Thank you, sir. Thank you, students.
Okay. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you very much.